In the forgotten forests of prehistoric Madagascar, there lurked a giant, LL, towering at over 5 feet tall and weighing more than 400 pounds. Archaeoindris fontoinanti was no ordinary lemur. It was the largest primate to ever roam the island, with the strength to snap saplings and a territorial nature sharpened by isolation. Archaeoindris ruled the forest floor. Its powerful limbs could deliver bone-breaking blows, not for hunting, but for dominance, to its enemies and even its own kind. It was a force of nature, and though it fed on leaves and fruit, it fought like a beast born for war, extinct but not forgotten. In the shadows of time, Archaeoindris remains one of Madagascar's most dangerous legends,